Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I started trading with only $50 using one of my most effective and consistent strategies called the Empire Cross strategy. This method is designed for traders who want to grow a small account with strong discipline and smart entry points. It combines a moving average crossover with price action confirmation, giving us clear signals based on momentum and support resistance levels. I'll be guiding you step by step through my trade setups, showing you how I find entry opportunities, where I place my stop losses and take profits, and how I manage risk carefully even with limited capital. Make sure to watch the entire video because every part of this strategy is important, and it might be exactly what you've been looking for in your own trading journey. And before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my future trading tips, live sessions, and advanced strategies. Alright, let's get started. This is my real $50 trading journey using the Empire Cross strategy. Let's go. Okay, I've just opened a sell position because the market has started to show signs of a downward trend, and the price has now reached a key support level. Let's take a look at the analysis and see how this setup plays out. Nice. That's a profit. Let's move on and take a look at the next market opportunity. All right, I'm entering a buy position now, and here's why. First, the red line, which we've marked as a key resistance level, has been broken by several recent candles. This is an early signal that buying pressure is starting to take over. Second, both of our key indicators, the moving average and MACD, are now clearly pointing upward. This supports the idea of a trend reversal from bearish to bullish. So, I'm going in with a buy to ride this potential momentum. Let's see how it plays out. All right, profit. Let's move on to the next chart and spot another opportunity. Okay, I'm opening a buy position because the price is currently sitting at a support area, the lowest point in the recent market move. This support zone often acts as a strong level, where buying pressure increases. As we can see, the price is starting to bounce off this level. If the bounce continues, it's a strong indication that the market may reverse upward. Let's see if it ends in profit. All right, it's a profit. Let's move on to the next market. All right, I'm entering a buy position again because the current market setup is very similar to what we saw earlier. Right now, the red resistance line has been broken by multiple candles, which is a strong indication that the trend is reversing upward. On top of that, both key indicators, moving average and MACD, are curving upward, confirming bullish momentum. This shows that buyers are starting to take control of the market. Let's go with this buy setup and see what happens. Nice, profit. Let's move on to the next market and hunt for the next opportunity. Okay, I'm entering a sell position in this market because we are clearly in a strong downtrend. Ever since the cross occurred on the indicator, the entire market has been dominated by red candles. Every candle has closed below the green line, which signals that buyers are not strong enough to take control. This tells us that sellers are still in full control of the market. So the best decision right now is to follow the trend, sell. Let's see what the result is. All right, profit. Let's move on to the next market and look for the next opportunity. Okay, guys, I've just opened a buy position. Why? because this area is a strong support zone in this market. If you look at the price action, this level has previously caused the market to bounce multiple times. It's a key area where buyers usually step in and push the price upward. I believe this support will hold once again. So, I'm confidently entering a buy position, expecting a bullish bounce from this level.
Okay, profit.
Let's open the next market. Alright guys, I've decided to open a sell position right now. The reason is clear and simple. The price has touched the red line, which is a strong resistance area based on previous price action. If you look closely, this zone has rejected price several times in the past. So when price touches it again, there's a high probability it will bounce back down. I'm simply following the market structure and respecting the trend. We don't fight the market, we flow with it. That's why I'm taking a sell at this level. Now let's see what happens. Okay, profit. Okay, I just opened a buy position because the market has shown a clear upward movement. Also, there's a bullish crossover on the MACD indicator, which signals that a strong uptrend might be forming. Let's see how this setup plays out. Nice! Profit! Don't forget, if you want to learn this strategy in more detail, feel free to join my VIP group. And make sure you subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any new strategy updates and upcoming trading videos. Alright, it seems like the market conditions are no longer favorable right now. The price action is starting to lose clarity, and as traders, we must know when to stop and avoid forcing entries in uncertain situations. So I've decided to end today's trading session. Remember, trading is not about how often we enter the market. It's about how wisely we read the conditions. If you want to learn the strategy I use, feel free to join my VIP group where I share my daily setups, strategies, and market analysis. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the next trading content.